Hey guys, welcome to my vid using Python, and we're gonna be looking at lists. Um, so it's just a quick guide on using Python to create lists, and so that's just pieces of information grouped together to create a list. Okay, cool. So on a side note, I was just gonna say I'd appreciate it if you guys actually subscribe to my channel, and if you like what you see, just hit the subscribe button, share the videos with your friends, and so forth. Yeah, so thanks in advance. Okay, cool. So let's get started. I'm gonna create a list. I'm just gonna create a variable. So I'll call it animals. Then equals. So so that's a lion. Oh, sorry, lion. Impala. Zebra. Tiger. Um, Meerkat. Cool. So that's my list there. Okay, and then if I want to display one of the animals in the list, we got what we call an index. So the index is basically like the order or the position of the specific item in the list. So it starts counting from zero, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. So if I want to print the zebra, I will say print, then animals, right? So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Okay, so print again, animals. Um, so that's a meerkat. Okay, cool. And then if I want to display the whole list, I'll type it. I'll do this for an item in animals, and then print item. Okay, so then it prints the whole list of animals in the list. Okay, cool. So then if I want to replace something in the list, I'll say animals, and I want to replace tiger. So yeah, animals, then 3, and equals. I'll type in an animal that's native to Africa. So elephant. Sorry, I need to put inverted commas. Okay, so that's that. And then print animals. So there we are. So we've replaced tiger with elephant. So we got elephant in the list. Okay, cool. And then if I want to delete something as well in the list, so I want to say delete some, so I'll type in tail, then animals. I want to delete the lion, so I'll type 0 there. Then print animals. Right, so we've deleted the lion. Okay, cool. And then if I need to add something into the list, okay, I need to add another animal there. So I'll type so animals, okay, dot append, and then I'm going to add a giraffe. Then print again, just to show you that it's been added. So there we are. So we've got the giraffe in the list. Okay, cool. Then since I've got my list, there's animals. I can also add another list. I'd say animals 2. And I'll just kind of think of random animals. A wolf, bobcat, a deer. Right. I think that will do for now. Okay. So that's my animals too. And then, so what I need to do now is I want to add the two lots together, the two lists together. So I'll just create a new variable. So I'll say animals3. So equals animals plus animals2. Right. Then, so for item in animals3, then print item. Right, so that's the list there. Okay, cool. Yeah, so it's just it was just a quick vid just to show you how to use lists in Python. So yeah, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching, and have a good evening. Cheers. Bye bye.